You can create project templates to reuse them for later. Project templates are a great way to create. If you work on similar kind of projects, then you can create a project template and reuse them later whenever you want to create a new project. Let's say you work on web development projects. Now, you can create a web development project template and use this project template whenever a new web development client comes in. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create project templates in Agile. So I'm on the project page from the productivity projects, and I can click on this project templates button from here. Here it will show me all the project templates that I have in my account. But if I want to create a new one, I can click on this add template button. On this add project template page, I will add a project template name, let's say web design project. And from the project category, I will choose web development. And next, I will choose settings. If a client can see tasks of this project, you can handle it from here. And if you want to send the notifications for the projects to the client, and if you want to allow manual time logs for your teammates so they can enter time logs manually instead of using the timer. So you can add a start date for this or leave it empty. You can add the project summary here. This is the project summary, and you can format it as you want. You can add notes for the project template and click on the save button. Once you have created a project template, next step is to add tasks, milestones, files, and members to the project template. So to add members, you can go here to members, and you can add team members, or you can add a complete team. Let's say you have a web development team, you can add them from here, and all of the members of the web development team will be added to the project. Or you can add individual teammates to your project from here. The next thing is milestones. You can add multiple milestones here. Let's say I want to create a milestone 1, and I can add the cost, etc. And click on the save button to save the milestone. I can create as many milestones as I want in the project template. The next step is to add the task. So I can go to tasks tab from here and click on add task button from here. Let's say first finalize the design or requirement gathering. Gather the requirement. I can assign it to a teammate. Let's say there is a specific teammate that handles the requirement gathering. You can assign them from here. You can add this to the milestone. You can set the priority and click on the save button to save the task. You can add as many tasks as you want from here, and you can also add, let's say whenever you are creating a project or whenever you are working on a new project, you require some set of files in the project, so you can add those files from here. And whenever you create a new project using this project template, these files will be added to the project files. So this is how I can create a new project template and use it in the projects. Now let's see how I can use it when I'm creating a new project. So I will click on add new project button, and I can click on these 3 dots to use the template, and I can see that web design project is now available. So I can choose this, and the settings have been auto populated and the project summary has been auto populated. I can choose start date and add project budget. Let's click on the save button. So this project will be created, and As you can see, I was added to this project, and let's see if milestones were added or not. As you can see, milestones are present here, and tasks are also present here. So this is how you create project templates in Agile and use them for creating projects. Thank you so much for watching the video.